Alright, this is for the 2007 Hyundai Sonata, trying to get the belt routing. I don't think there's anything that shows. I don't think there's a picture here. Alrighty, so we've got it going around the power steering pump. Goes around this tensioner, or the idler pulley, actually, it's not a tensioner. And then it goes around this water pump, maybe? Water pump, where are you? Water pump back here. And then it wraps around the water pump and comes up to the second. Then that actually might be the idler pulley right there, the second one. And then it wraps around that and goes around the harmonic balancer. That's actually what went out. That seems like on these Hyundais, the harmonic balancer is going to go out about 110,000, and did it on this one too. Wraps around the harmonic balancer, and then comes to the compressor, and then from the compressor it goes up to the alternator and wraps around and then goes to the third. Now that's either an idler or a tensioner. I don't know which one is the I know that this one's not the tensioner. And it wraps around that tensioner and then comes around that. So I started here, and all right, so that's just so I can get it back together. Now I'm going to take the harmonic balancer off of this one. It's fairly new, and put it on the other one. In order to do that, I'm going to turn this tire so I can get in here. I'm going to take off that that cover. It's just 3 10s, 10 millimeters, and then that's 7/8, and pop it off. It comes off real easy. It was really cheap too when I bought this one. It was like $20 or $30. Alright, going to take the cover off. Let's see, I think it's got one here. I'm going to do that with one hand. Alright. So I had kind of figured that the harmonic balancer was going out in that one because it had a rough idle. What happens is that it will actually give way. The other one, this is gone. I don't know where it went to. The belt was only wrapped around here. My wife was saying that the check engine or the battery light was coming in or coming on. You can see that's going out there. So I'd probably like to take the belt off first, just to remove the tension off of it. Okay, this is the one right here. It's a 17. It's the one above this one. I'm gonna try to do it with the phone. All right, got it. It's hard to get with one hand. You gotta be careful. You get your fingers caught in there. Now I can take that off. I'll just leave that belt on there. This is the old one. And let that build up pressure. Might have to switch over to the one that's putting out a little bit more pressure on it. Okay. Alright, this one's shooting at a little bit more pressure, so we'll see. Okay, it's at 140 pounds. There it goes. Alright, and then you'll see how easy this is to come off. Really easy to get off. Always been. The other one was easy. This one was easy for the first time. The other one was easy, and so it's just easy. All right, as you can tell, this one's still good. All right, and you just match up the key and get it back on there. Ouch. Okay. Should do that, and I'll wrap the. Alright, what I did to get this on was I had my 17 on there with a smaller wrench, and I was able to. So I got it all on the pulley. This was the last pulley right here. So I got it up to here. I was able to get a long screwdriver in there to keep it from coming off, which allowed me to get another tension, another bit of tension on the belt, which then allowed me to just easily put that on. And so you just got to take a whole lot of tension off of that. Take your time with it. You won't have to pry it on. It's a little off down there on that one, but when I turn it on, it should get right back on it. All right, it all straightened up, and I think that it's going to take care of the rough idle. Now this one was wrecked, but I think, and I was thinking maybe it was some mount stuff, but I think really the main, I think that harmonic balancer was going out for a while in this, and then my wife said it started shaking really bad. Then the belt, I'm surprised the belt's still on. Who knows where that thing ended up flying to. Hopefully it didn't cause any damage as it was coming off.